Hey, it's Bobby here, and welcome to How to Grow My YouTube Channel in 2020 Tips and Tricks, right? So you'll learn how to get more views, aka watch time, more subscribers, and make more money, right? All right. So today I'm going to talk about tip number 19, and it's all about three letters. A-S-K. What does that mean? Ask, right? So before that, let's review yesterday's tip, which was tip number 18. You reply to every comment that you get on your videos, and you build a rapport and you further that relationship with your subscribers, right? Because remember, behind that computer is another human being, right? They want to be spoken to. They want you to give them a heart or a thumbs up, right? And so if you respond to every comment, and with that response ended with a question, that psychologically will make them respond to that question, right? So more engagement. Spike the YouTube algorithm. All right, guys? So today, tip number 19 is ask. I can't believe I go through watching YouTube, and some of the YouTube creators, right, flat out don't ask for anything, right? How does that viewer or subscriber or normal human being would know to subscribe to your channel, to like your videos, to comment down below, to do whatever, right? So sometime in the beginning, middle, or the end, right, you're gonna have to ask them, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like tips, if you like YouTube tips, right? Subscribe to the series, watch my playlists, hit the notification bell. Well, shameless plug, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and if you do like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. Tell me what tip number is the right, or your favorite, right? Or what you need to improve on. Yeah, so the power of suggestion, right? Of you asking them to do something will get them psychologically, make them actually want to do it, right? It's just in our brains that, oh, he asked me to do something, I'm gonna do it without even thinking. So yeah, like I said, to recap, simply just asking people to subscribe to your YouTube channel will drastically give you more subscribers. And stay tuned to tomorrow's tip number 20, right? 11 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning. It's all about being a guest post on another channel. All right, guys, if you do like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I want to know how or when do you ask your subscribers to subscribe to you, or viewers to subscribe to you. And subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Click the notification bells, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.